What's going on, everybody? It's Jimmy. Today we're gonna do a quick tutorial on how to play "I Can't Get Enough" with Selena Gomez, Benny Blanco, Balvin, and Tainy on the ukulele. So the song is actually pretty simple, only has two chords, and that being a B flat minor and an F minor. But the chords themselves on the ukulele are actually a little bit difficult. So anyway, let's get right into it. So the first chord is going to be a B flat minor, and what you're going to do with your index finger is cover the entire first fret. What you can do, if it's hard to press down on all the strings, is using your middle finger. You can kind of use that to just make it a little easier. With your ring finger, you're going to cover the third fret, first string. So all together. And remember, if you need to, use your middle finger to hold down your index finger on that entire first fret. Now for the second chord, F minor, what you're going to be doing, using your index finger, go to the first fret, first string. Your middle finger will go on the first fret, third string. And using your pinky, you're going to go on the third fret and the fourth string. Now, I said the song was a little difficult earlier, and that is because of these chords. To be able to switch from the two chords is a little bit difficult. With a little practice, you got it no problem. So again, B flat minor and an F minor. Now, when it comes to the strum pattern, I'll just show you real quick. So what that is down, down, up, mute, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up.
Crazy.
So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching my video. My first video was uploaded like 8 or 9 years ago. My second video was uploaded a month ago. Now I'm doing one now. So, I mean, sporadic is an understatement. But if you can and you enjoy this video, please drop me a like and subscribe and just let me know if these tutorials are helping. That way I know if I should do some more. I don't know. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.